Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Canon Pixmo G3770 wireless all-in-one printer, a sleek compact printer that promises high performance with low running cost, and we are gonna see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's pop this open.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God!
Clean and well packaged. Definitely a smooth unboxing experience. Now let's talk about the design. The G3770 looks modern and compact, available in red, black or white depending on where you buy it. You have got a basic button control panel, simple and straightforward. A transparent ink level window so you know when it's refill time. Rear paper tray holding up to 100 sheets and built-in wireless connectivity, which means printing from your phone or laptop is a breeze. The refillable mega tank system is the star here, reducing your ink cost big time. Here is what you are working with. Print, scan, copy, all in one. Print resolution up to 4800 into 1200 dpi. Speed around 11 pages per minute, black, and 6 for color. Scanner resolution 600 into 1200 dpi. Connects via Wi-Fi, USB, Canon Print app, Apple AirPrint and Mopria. Perfect for work from home setups, students or small business owners. So what is great about it? Super affordable running cost with the refillable ink. Easy wireless printing, clean compact build, high ink yield up to 6 black, 7700 color. Refill process is mess free. But here are some downsides. No automatic duplex printing, manual only. No touchscreen, button only interface. No ADF, so scanning multi-pages docs takes time. Slightly noisy during heavy printing. But not deal breaker, but worth knowing. You see the installation process is going on. Very easy processes.
After printing all in
Setup was easy also. Scan the QR code given in the box. Launch Canon Print app on phone. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow on screen steps and boom, ready to print. Print quality pretty solid, sharp text, decent color reproduction. It's not a photo printer, but it definitely handles everyday tasks like a champ. So here is the bottom line. If you are looking for a budget-friendly, high-yield printer that covers all the basics, the Canon PIXMA G3770 is a solid bet. Great for everyday printing, low ink cost, and compact enough to fit just about anywhere. Want to see more reviews like this? Hit like, subscribe and tap the bell, and let us know what printer you want us to test next. Catch you in the next one.
এটাকে এই করে কি করে দেখতে স্টপ করে দিচ্ছে।